Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to see the unsent messages on Messenger. Now, once you're in your inbox and you have messages from your friends that are unsent and you want to see them, you might click on the bar on the upper left corner and go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, you might scroll down and click on account settings. This leads you to the Facebook link. You may scroll down and click on the download profile information. Now in this page, you are going to request a copy of your data in your account. But for this one, you only needed to see your messages. So you might deselect all and just click the message. For the format, it should be HTML. And also for the media quality, it should be high and click on create file. After that, you will see in this page that your request is still pending. Once your copy is available, Facebook will give you a notification for that. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.